The valley where Florence stands today originated from the draining of an ancient lake. It was here some 30,000 years ago that the first groups of human beings settled. The heart of today's city was inhabited in the 10th century BC by a people whose civilization is called Villanovian. Discovered at the end of the 18th century, the tombs of the Villanovians have returned the typical biconical cinerary vases. From the hut shape of several cinerary vases, we can reconstruct the first habitations that rose on the right bank of the river Arno. Perhaps it was precisely a flooding of the river in the 8th century BC that caused this people to transfer to the surrounding higher ground. In the 8th century BC, Florentine territory is involved in the development of the Etruscan civilization, the most important of pre-Roman Italy. Several family groups, whose wealth is well documented by monumental tumuli, settle on the hills surrounding the Arno River Valley. A large Etruscan center develops in the 5th century BC at Fiesole, one of the hills that rises over Florence. The remains of an imposing circle of walls, the temple, and numerous archaeological remains speak to us of Dante called it Il Bel San Giovanni. The baptistry, with its difficulty in dating, already existed in the 9th century, and probably in the course of 1100 its exterior was completely covered with green and white marbles arranged in geometric designs. 3 bronze doors of great beauty open onto the interior. The south door, completed in 1330, is the work of Andrea Pisano. Lorenzo Ghiberti is the author of the north and east doors. Michelangelo defined the latter door, completed in 1452,